Look at BNB. All right, we this thing is down to 234.94 as I make this video, down 0.21%. All right, this is on the daily. You can see this massive drop from the 302 level right down to what was it, 220. Massive, just a collapse right there. The thing I do see coming in though, look at the bottom here. You can see some major volume starting that's come in down here at the bottom. And this type of volume, you know, you got sellers and buyers coming in down here. Major, so you know, you haven't seen anything like that for a while. Back through here, this thing has been flatlined. You know, you can see we haven't had a spike above there. So you can see through here a lot of buyers and sellers. Looks like you know, pretty even actually. You know, if you take all these greens and with the reds, pretty even down through there. So we see some volume coming in down here. Okay, now we have some major price levels here to keep an eye on, but the main thing we want to look at is the RSIs, okay, and see if this thing could be heading up or if it's going to head down further. And if I could ask you, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'd like to say thank you to the people that have joined in the members section. That link is in the description of the video. And for the members, I think we're gonna start a trading group, and we're gonna use MEXC. There's a link in the description of the video also. Very good platform. If you use your VPN, you can go over there, sign up. And if you're not an experienced trader, you can use paper trading over there to practice, and you can practice with futures trading over there for free, so you're not risking your money. All right, I definitely would recommend that. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but you know, it's real money. It's money you work hard for, so just be careful with it. All right, so let's take a look at this chart. First off, like I said, we're down 0.2% for the day. Now we're going to take a look at these RSIs. Let's widen this screen out. All right, we got that daily wanting to spin up. Okay, right here down at the bottom on the regular RSI, you can see it is curving up. That's on the daily. We got the weekly. The weekly looks beautiful. Look at that. Bullish. It's at a 9 and an 8. It's on the floor. Okay, look at that big red weekly candle there. All right, so we got that weekly on the floor. That's what we want to see for a bounce here. All right, we got the weekly. The daily looks like it wants to spin up. The 12-hour is also on the floor. Okay, it looks like this thing could have found a bottom here. It's gone sideways and consolidated here since this big fall, June 10th. All right, we consolidated pretty much until now from June 10th. So things gone sideways in here. The upper part of the range up there at 257, and the lower part down there at around 220. All right, it's kind of been bouncing around in between there. We got the 12-hour trying to push up. We got the 8-hour also trying to push up. It's at a 39 to 34. It's bullish, kind of curving over a little bit there down here at the bottom. All right, so we got the 4-hour that goes up and down quite a bit. So not real concerned with that. We're looking at the bigger time frames. All right, we got the 8 on the floor, the 12 on the floor. The daily wanting to curve up. Okay, you can see that curve starting in it right there. Things trying to curve up. Okay, the regular RSI is pretty low down there at 39, and we got the weekly curving up. All right, so looks like it's going to try for a push up here. Now the major areas to keep an eye on. That first resistance is at 257. All right, then we have a shot up to 282. That's the next major resistance area. You can see. I mean, this thing could shoot up right up to $300 too if we break that 257. You can see how fast it fell through here. Nothing held it up there on the weekly. Okay, so that's your major resistance areas. If we lose that 220, you know, this thing could be coming down to 183. So right now it is looking like it wants to push up. All right, on the weekly, look at that big green candle that came in there. You know, not just me, you know, that possibly seen a bottom in here. There's other big buyers out there in the market. That's 416 million BNB in that candle right there. So alright guys, please hit the like and subscribe, and as soon as we have some price action, I will be back with you here I hope everybody has a great weekend. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.